Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. And I hope it resonates with you. This is the video in which the messages from divine masculine to the divine feminine and the divine feminine to the divine masculine. So let's see what are the messages, what are the things divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminine, and what are the things divine feminine wants to say to the divine masculine. Okay, DM to DF, DF to the DM. This is the conversation between them who are not in contact with each other, okay, for the twin flame journey. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. Bus take whatever is resonating according to your situation. If it is not resonating, you can skip it out, okay. So let's see what are the messages, what are the things divine masculine wants to say. Let's start your reading. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages from the divine masculine? What are the messages from the divine masculine? What does divine masculine wants to say? Please give me the messages. What does divine masculine wants to say? I have known you in many often lifetimes. Would you accept me? Okay. What are the messages? Please give me the messages. Too many messages. No. Okay. So they want to know that you always give me a shoulder to cry on, and this was the same message which I got for you in my yesterday's reading. Okay, this is the same message here. So let's see more. What does the messages? You are the only one I wanna be with. I want to talk to you but don't know what to say. So they want to talk to you but they don't know what to say. You are the only one I wanna be with. Okay, they want to know that would you accept me? Would you accept me? Okay, I want to talk to you but don't know what to say. They want to talk to you but they don't know what to say. They don't have words to say to you. You always give me shoulder to cry on. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so these are the messages. So they want to talk to you, divine feminines. They know that they have known you in many of our lifetimes, but they want to ask you that would you accept me if they approach you, if they talk to you. So would you accept me? And you are the only one they want to be with. They want to talk to you but they don't know what to say. Okay, so let's see more messages from the divine masculine. What are the masculine messages? What are the divine masculine wants to say? Okay, so I'm going within so that I can understand myself. So they're going within so that they can understand themselves. Okay, closed heart chakra. I feel emotionally distant and numb. Okay, so their heart chakra is closed right now. They don't feel emotionally, okay, they're feeling emotionally distant and numb. And here I want to make things right as I'm building up the courage to talk to you. So I'm feeling the 8 of Wands energy because while doing meditation also, okay, I am having 8 of Wands energy here for you. Lot of communication is coming towards you, so they want to talk to you basically, and that energy is right now here same, that they want to talk to you but they don't know what to say. Okay, they are making the courage. Okay, they're building up the courage to talk to you here. Okay, 2 more messages for divine masculine. Please give me 2 messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine. Can you feel me when I'm kissing you? So they are trying to connect with you in 5D level. So they want to ask you that do you feel when they kiss you? 1 more message. Your beauty and strength intimates me. Okay, so these are the messages which divine masculine wants to say. Now let's see what does divine feminine wants to say. So basically the message is very clear from the divine masculine that they want to talk to you, okay, but they don't know what to say. They are building up the courage to talk to you, and you are the only one, divine feminines, with whom they want to be with. Okay, they know you in many often lifetimes. They know this. Okay, right now they can't feel anything because they are having heart chakra closed, and they are trying to understand themselves, and they want to ask you that would you accept me. So now let's see what are the messages from the divine feminines. What does divine feminine wants to say to the divine masculine? Okay, oh wow. I can't wait to kiss you again. Can you feel me kissing? Can you feel when I am kissing you? And divine feminine is saying, I can't wait to kiss you again. So basically you both are talking to each other telepathically. Okay, can you see how beautiful it is? I can't wait to kiss you again. This is what divine feminine is saying. This is beautiful. Okay, so let's see what are the messages, more messages from the divine feminine. What does divine feminine wants to say to the divine masculine? Please give me the messages from the divine masculine, divine feminine, so divine feminine to the divine masculine. I'm coming into alignment with my higher self. Okay, I am coming into alignment with my higher self. I feel like I'm not good enough, wounded feminine. So maybe some of you are the wounded feminine still, and you require healing. And some, see, there are two divine feminine groups who is watching this video. One is who requires healing, okay, who is the wounded feminine, and second one is divine feminine. Okay, I trust the love I give. Okay, and the wounded feminine, the other group, is saying that I feel like I'm not good enough. So there are two groups who is watching this video, who is watching this messages. So those who are wounded feminine, please complete your healing. Okay, I choose to fully surrender and trust to the divine. Okay, so that's beautiful. Divine feminines have already choose to fully surrender and trust in the divine. Thank you for being you. Okay, thank you for being you. I understand if you need time. So that's what the divine masculine is saying, that I'm going within so that I can understand myself. And divine feminine is saying that I understand that you need time. Okay, they understand that you need time, so take your time here. Let's see more messages. What are the messages from the divine feminine? Every single road leads to me, leads to you. Okay, so every single road leads to divine masculine. That's what divine feminine is saying. Okay, I am so proud of being your divine counterpart. 0555 was the recording reading time. They're very proud that they are your divine counterpart. Any other message? Wow. Okay, see, what are we going through is only bringing us closer. Okay, so that's what divine feminine wants to say, that whatever you both are going through, this is bringing you both closer with each other. And why I was saying wow. Okay, this was the message from the divine masculine, that they are having closed heart chakra. Okay, here I'm having the divine feminine, which is having the blocked heart chakra. Same, I feel disconnected from myself, emotionally numb. So many of you are feeling the same way, the way the divine masculine is feeling and the divine feminine is feeling. Okay, closed, blocked heart chakra, blocked heart chakra, closed heart chakra. The same message from both of you. So this was the messages from the Divine Masculine and the Divine Feminine. I hope it resonates with you. Let me add more things in this. Thank you for giving the messages. Okay. So let's add one message from Whispers of Love. I love you. I love you is the message which I'm getting here for you. So someone wants to say I love you, whether this is Divine Masculine or the Divine Feminine. But Divine Masculine wants to say I love you. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the message. Let me see one message from Lovers Oracle. Please give me one message for this reading. Look deep within your heart and you will feel my love. My love for you is as deep as ocean. Okay. So that's beautiful here. Okay, let me add some angel messages. Thank you. What is the angel message for you? What is the angel message for this reading? Please give me the angel messages. Wow. Beautiful. You need to have forgiveness and understanding. Forgive anyone who requires forgiveness. Okay, so forgive them. And the second message I'm having, that this is the holy love. This is the divine love and signs and remedies. So maybe the Divine Masculine or the Divine Feminine, whoever is watching this video, you are getting the signs and the signals and the synchronicities and the remedies from the universe, from the angels, from the divine. Okay, so follow those signs and remedies. This is the holy love. This is the divine love. This is beautiful message I'm getting here for you. Okay, let me add some tarot message for you. See, new hopes, new desires are coming for you and a lot of communication is coming towards you. Okay, let me see 5 messages for this reading. Please give me 5 message. Wow. Your wish fulfillment. 9 of Cups. The Sun. New happy beginnings are coming for you. Death card. 2 more cards for this reading. Please give me 2 more cards. King of Pentacles and 3 of Cups. Okay. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the Tower. See, Strength 1001. Some big unexpected changes are coming towards you here, Divine Feminine or the Divine Masculine, whoever is watching this video. This is the divine intervention and they are gaining the strength to approach you here. Okay. So this person is going through with that and rebirth here with the King of Pentacles. Transformation is taking place in your Divine Masculine's life. Okay, King of Pentacles is the Divine Masculine's energy. So death and rebirth energy transformation is going to happen. New beginnings are coming for you. Okay, new happy beginnings are coming for you. Celebrations are coming in your life here. They are gaining strength to approach you here. They're gaining the confidence to approach you and this is your wish fulfillment. Okay, so these are the messages. Let me see what are the signs which you may be dealing with. So they can be here a Capricorn. Let me see these cards. This is a beautiful reading, I can say that. Okay, so they can be a Capricorn here, they can be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire sign. They can be a fire sign here. Okay, they can be Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, earth sign 1144. They can be a Gemini here. Let me see more. Any other sign? Any other sign? Okay, they can be Libra or Gemini. here. Okay, they can be Cancer, they can be Scorpio here. Okay, so these can be the signs which you may be dealing with. So this was your reading, and I hope I help you out in some manner. This was the conversation between the divine masculine and the divine feminine, DM and the DF. Okay, I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love, healing, light and happiness to all of you, whoever is watching this video. Take care of yourself, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Take care of yourself and see you soon.